Himanshu, in my opinion, or in a lot of other people's opinion as well, the best way of learning something is to constantly put whatever you're learning into actual work, and that's why a lot of people emphasize a lot on doing different projects, maybe live projects, maybe just certain type of projects to actually learn or put whatever you're doing in actual work. And you have done exactly the same, and that's probably one of the best things that I love about you. That while you were learning in your data science course, you were constantly putting all of those things at work in at your work as well, because you were juggling between your work as well as your course. So how did you do that? Is there like a certain project that you would like to share with us? And like, how did it give you an edge over all your peers that were doing the same data science course as yourself?
Okay, so see, first of all, unfortunately, because we were in an online mode, I was not able to make many friends because, as you said, I was juggling with job and the course. So I was not able to make as many friends as I could. But yes, so I don't know what kind of development they are at. But yes, I would say that I did pretty well for myself because. Uh, Prior to my current job, I was working at IIM Indore, Indian Institute of Management Indore, as an academic associate. So one of the jobs for me over there was to, create a database for research papers and their findings and all that. So while doing that, I was able to. So by the time I was doing my course at Board Infinity, I had learned some special tricks which made my job easier at work, and I was given more projects and more responsibilities than other academic associates. So I know that I was doing well because I was ahead of my other work colleagues. So I know this, that having experience in data science, having knowledge about data science creates another arm for me. So I was not working with two arms, I was working with actually two pair of limbs.
Yeah.
So I was having it made my work very easy. So graphs and tables which other associates took, like, say, an hour or something, it was a matter of like a five line code for me. So it was very
Yeah.
easy. Plus, half of the industry today in India is still using Excel. The first
Yeah.
module which we were using was advanced Excel. So
Yeah.
that was like macros and VB and all that. It was wonders. Right? It did wonders for me. So what others were doing, and they were doing like 15 clicks and writing something here, writing something there, copy and paste. I did that once and made that a button, and what I
Yeah.
got at the end was I saved like 45 minutes. So yeah,
Yeah.
that thing helps. And as you said, that we should apply, the best thing to learn is to apply something, in a practical approach. And see, this always helps, that if you're coming from some kind of experience, if you're having some kind of job experience or business experience, you always have a problem, and data science is actually a solution. So data
Yeah.
science cannot be done like two
Agreed.
ones are two, two twos are four, and even going all academic through the book. You learn tools of data science to solve the problem, and that makes it that much easier, because now I don't have the burden to learn everything, all the definitions, all the applications, and go mug up everything. Now I just have to see what I need, and that's what the industry also wants, I think.
Okay.
I should be able to provide that one solution. I shouldn't know everything, I should be able to provide that one solution. So I that is the approach, really. And
So
once you get the hang of it, it's really addictive.
yeah, I would definitely agree to that, especially considering that I talk to learners and they have the same kind of experience, that they were like, the first time we actually made a data visualization, graph, and we were seeing that live numbers are coming and the graph is forming on its own. That was quite a magical feeling. And
Yeah.
when you look at it, you are the only person who would understand the joy that it brings out, because of the amount of tons and heaps of code that you had to write for that one thing. But it's magic for them, and I would definitely agree. you on that part. But I have a follow-up question on that. Note that, do you think like
Yeah.
juggling between work and your course have made it a better thing for you? Because a lot of people don't want to pursue these, long-term courses because they're like, I won't get the time between my job as well as the course. Do you think it was a benefit, or it was like an additional thing that you were working, that you got the place to actually implement those things?
Okay. So I had the same, I had the same apprehension about this thing, but my mentor said this thing to me that a durable sword is made in the crucible of hellfire. And
Yeah,
this
right.
juggling between work and study, it's just that. Okay,
Yeah,
you're already putting, an extra effort to excel at your job, and there is immense competition, and then you start giving your weekends as well, and then you
yeah,
give extra 2 hours every day for to become a better learner, or do a better job, and then you have all these other things, and then you're sacrificing so much. But see, this is not for always, because
yeah.
at the end of the course, you're now able to do whatever you were working previously. Now you're able to save time every day, because now you are doing the same work with a better knowledge repository
Sorry.
at the back of your head. Now, so you are at the end of, so yeah, first 1 month. True, I agree. It's very difficult, but that is just the threshold. Because after that, once you get the hang of it, you're becoming a better person. You're becoming a better learner, and you're becoming a better employee at every, at every milestone you cover. So I think this really helped me, because I pushed myself to limits. I came out of my comfort zone and I learned things. I missed some. I missed some family functions. I do feel bad
Yeah.
about that, but not anymore, because now I have a better job. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. That